Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We had to do a lot of work to our spa recently. We had some lightning strike, it surged the whole system, so we had to replace a few things mechanically, and now it's time to replace the water. Well, the water replacement has never been easier thanks to the good folks at AquaCheck. Yeah, Mavs of AquaCheck has been doing great things, and they've got this starter kit for starting off with a fresh tub that comes with so much fun stuff. And I can't wait to show you all of it because you know what, you can't just put random water in here. You need to treat it, you need it to be safe, and you need it to be low in bacteria, perfect chlorine, etc. So the first thing in this kit that I absolutely love is this. This is the AquaCheck Spa. This will check your total free chlorine, your bromine, your alkalinity, your hardness. This is really a straightforward stick right here. You just drop it in your water for a second. I didn't even read the instructions, but these are so straightforward. And then you will be able to check to see your levels. Now, it would appear that my total chlorine, let me see if I can show you this on screen. My total chlorine matches colors with the number 5, which means that, I'm a little high in chlorine. I did put some chlorine in this the other day. Because we filled it, put some chlorine. So I don't need to add chlorine right now. When it comes to free chlorine, I'm a number 3. The purples match up right there. And it would appear that I don't need to do anything with total chlorine. So then when it comes to alkalinity, I'm actually just about 0.8. So I know what I need to do there. That's in the normal range, so I don't need to do anything. And my pH is very low, so I'm gonna need some pH up. But this is a really smart little stick. You just dip it in, you compare it to the colors, and you know what you need to do with your spa. And it looks like I just need to pH up a little bit. Now, let's show you all the things that we have here. You have a pH decrease in case your pH is too high. You have, let's see if I can find the increase, because we're gonna need that. There's your pH increase. This keeps you right around, you get it right, you keep you around a 7, you're gonna be good. There's your chlorine-free shock. Now, my overall chlorine was a little high, so I wanna shock the system every couple days, even if it's got high chlorine. This chlorine-free shock is gonna do it for me. A lot of this is pretty straightforward. Use 2 ounces for every 500 gallons. I got a 1,500 gallon tub, so I'm just gonna put 6 ounces in. I use a little measuring cup, we'll show that here in a second. And that's gonna keep all that biodegradable bacteria, that's gonna keep all that stuff down without increasing the chlorine. You got your bromine tablets, okay? So let's look at this. It says, before initially using this product in your spa or your hot tub, you will need to add 1/2 ounce of sodium bromide for each 100 gallons of water. Same treatment must be followed each time, etc. And for swimming pools and newly filled pools, shock the pool if necessary, follow the directions on the label, etc. Add 17 tablets for every 10,000 gallons. So we're pretty much, I would feel safe using one of these tablets in my spa at 1,500 gallons. That's gonna be perfect. You have your calcium increaser for hot tubs, all part of this kit. So again, very easy. Level cap full, 2 level tablespoons of this product will increase a 500 gallon spa by approximately 10 parts per million. And your water defoamer for keeping your hot tub, if you notice your spa or hot tub been getting a little foamy, just go ahead and add a couple ounces of this in, easy peasy. Then, of course, we have one more thing right here. This is Metal Prevent, which you're gonna need in a lot of your spas. This is non-phosphorus product when filling or refilling your spa to prevent metal staining. See those rust stains and the grossness that you get from metals? Circulate the water for about 30 minutes and keep the pump running for 1.16 ounces. Just that easy. Okay, so and even on the side of these, you can see there's a quick measuring cup here. So folks, on top of all of that, it has this guy right here, which you can add in your materials, and this is going to slowly distribute it accordingly, and that makes a world of difference as well. and see, check it out. This is just gonna float in your tub and going to help distribute. So folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We're showing off some of the best products around, and guess what? It doesn't get any better than this. All right, folks, if you're looking for a high quality company, one that's been doing this business for a long period of time, well, guess what? AquaCheck has you covered. They're high quality, durable, stylish, sophisticated, and chic, and they're gonna be keeping your spa looking its best. No need to have that spa guy coming over your house anymore when each of these, and I know I rushed through all of these, so I didn't give an exact, you just read the directions. It's pretty simple. Add a level capful for every 500 gallons. Super simple, right? These are granules. It's gonna boop, 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 boop. They're just gonna go right in here. You're gonna pour them in, turn on the jets, you're gonna be good to go. All the things that I love about this, and I gotta tell you the thing I love most about AquaCheck, is the instructions are easy to follow. You don't need to be a scientist. I got a 1,500 gallon tub. Most of them say how much to use for every 500 gallons. So I just triple the amount. It says use 2 tablespoons, I use 6. Super simple. This is gonna keep your spa looking great. This is gonna keep you from having swimmer's itch. This is gonna keep people from having irritation when they go swimming. This is gonna keep that green out of your tub. It's really that easy, folks. Keep your pH healthy. Keep that metal and rust out of your spa. Use your bromine tablets, and of course the chlorine-free shock. I absolutely love that. If your question is, should you pick it up? The answer is heck yes. This stuff is fantastic. A great company, time and time again, tried and true. I love AquaCheck, and I think you will too. So go check them out. You won't be disappointed. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations, showing you my favorite products, and this is among the best.